Well, all this crime and violence, trials and tribulations. Well, the unemployment I breed up youngster boy, you know. And them for no. Vice to the one riot alongside Gang Marley, where some guy feel like say so.
Hey, is this violence in the street? My brothers got no time to sleep. Said them can't find a job, cause they've got no credentials. Is this violence in the streets? My brothers got no time to sleep. Said them can't find a job, cause they've got no credentials. What more do you ask for? Can't you see the world is in a disaster? Listen up, Mr. Money Maker. Can you take a blow from the gun creator?
So me say, Mr. Money Maker, did you get your belly full? You take advantage of the youth, them when they be resemble. Diligence and persistence, you have to use it as your tool. Driven dog, him lose him bone. Your greediness will do no good. Mrs. Money Marketer of things misunderstood. Your profit on the loss of life, so we're not living as we should. In the neighborhood, we have to wonder if they would issue guns on Sesame Street to little children if they could.
Is this violence in the streets? My brothers got no time to sleep. Said they can't find a job, cause they don't fit the description. Is this violence in the streets? My brothers got no time to sleep. Said they can't find a job, so at night they kill and rob. They give us dreams and aspirations, then you turn us down, you turn us down. You build up community centers, then you break them down, then you break them down. I pray that you don't know exactly what you've done after you build the slums and then you issue guns. Situation's bad and I'm real fed up.
The amount of carrot on your neck, it make a man a rabbit. And come and take a see your chain, you know a man a grab it. A man a try to come a dance and a go home a cab it. Come on a give them pretty vehicle and a pick them pocket. Woman a built a road and a give money man jacket. And a chain know them bank account and have them cash a stack it. Them 50% motorbike not even left a stock it. Alright, man a pop it up and them no start from knock it. You know, violence on the street it a create a havoc. First off, disrespect a something bad man just won't have it. Broke pocket a something where we get man trap it. You try behind you true well revo take a down and map it. And have a couple grimy vendor ready figure swap it. You wear a crackle and a pop and all your chain him snap it. And if you come a Miami man rap you win a Spanish. You take a chance of around you belong in the vanish. And all your girl left on the player she a player Spanish. Woman a tip close up a line and them a mix match it. And I look at a phone a gun a rap you with a ratchet. And all the victim try to run and buckle to him panic. Police a pull me down a rap we in a traffic. Said them and them friend them on the line and them a dispatch it. Them talking about your pocket buff and about your wrist gadget. Separate and have the masses is the only logic.
Is this violence in the streets? My mother can't find food to eat. Brother can't find a job, he doesn't fit the description. Is this violence in the street? My brothers got no time to sleep. Said they can't hold down a job, so at night they kill and rob.